Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create business brand consistency using Smart Sharpen in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load multiple brand visuals for a business. I pause, because consistency defines professionalism. I duplicate the main layer. I open Smart Sharpen and apply the same controlled settings. I increase amount gently and adjust radius carefully. I zoom in on logos and brand marks. I reduce noise to maintain smoothness. I compare visuals side by side. The brand now feels unified and clear across designs. Smart Sharpen here helps maintain a strong business identity. I stop when every image feels equally sharp and reliable.